Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Grindr data error 41002. So let me tell you guys, to fix the Grindr data error 41002, which generally indicates a login or registration issue. So to fix this issue, you can start by first closing the app. You see, when you open a Grindr app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it completely from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for Grindr. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is check your internet connection. You can just simply switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to ensure a stable connection. So if you're using a VPN, you have to turn it off. Now the next what you can do is check login credential. Re-enter your username and password carefully. If registering, make sure that you are not using a blacklisted IP address or VPN. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.